Welcome back to Bricks and Blooms. My name is Ebony. Thank you for my returning subscribers. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. Everyone, please like and share. Comment below. Please share with me your story as I'm about to share my story. This is my dental health journey, and I am just so happy to share this. This is something that we don't talk about in our communities. Just in American society, we don't talk about dental and oral health as much. So I'm going to do a cheat sheet off of my Google Doc to try to make this as like quick as possible. I try to keep my videos like 10 to 15 minutes tops. So why dental health is correlated to not mental health, medical health. Well, it is correlated to mental health. If you don't have the right, as we call, fronts, then it definitely like plays on your confidence, and your aesthetic appearance is definitely important. So um you want to feel confident. You want to be confident around the people that you speak with, you converse with, and you interact with, and it can affect your relationships, like all that. Okay, so let's start with my habits, the accountability. Let's just start with that, what I did wrong. Okay, I'm a 1980s baby. I was born in 1980. We had a era called penny candy. You can get one piece of candy for a penny. If you had $1, you got 100 pieces of candy. Well, sometimes I had $5. I mean, honestly. Um, I like gooey candy. I like hard candy. Gummy bears, gummy worms, Twizzlers, Jolly Ranchers. The worst kind of candy, the stuff that gets all in between your teeth that forms cavities, especially if you're not brushing your teeth on a regular basis. Okay. Also, I like citric acid type foods, fruits. Lemon, oranges. I love lemon with black tea stains. I drink coffee stains. So the biggest habit, that's not even the worst habits. The biggest habit that I had that I feel contributed to my dental health, my poor dental health, was brushing once a day, but not just once a day in the morning and not at night. If you're going to eat all day, brush at night. If it's preferable that you brush 3 times a day, after every meal. But if you can't do that, at least brush at night. Get it all out, floss, brush, gargle, brush your tongue, all of that at night before you go to bed. So then you're not sleeping and having that sugar and food decaying and eating away your enamel. Okay, so my health journey. I had a dentist that I didn't like when I was a kid. It developed a fear in me. I was too shy to tell my mom that I didn't like him, or maybe she knew, but maybe she didn't know how much it would affect me as I got older, where I would hesitate to go to the dentist. Now, this is not new. This is not unique to me. A lot of people don't like to go to the dentist. I think 6 out of 10 people have a fear of going to the dentist, and they will like not go until it's too late. And that's what I would do. I would wait until I was in super, like, a lot of pain. Um, the fear. My last year in college, my dental, not my last year, my first year in my master's, it lapsed. My dental coverage lapsed. So that bled into when I was pregnant with my first child. The pregnancy pulled on the calcium of my teeth, weakened my teeth. That's when I found out while I was at the dentist's office that I had to pay this big bill and I wasn't covered. I was under my dad's insurance. I don't know what happened. Hey, whatever, all is forgiven. It's all over with. But that I didn't have any coverage. So then I got a job, a full-time job, and by this time I had pre pre you know pre-existing issues with my teeth that already needed to be taken care of, that just a cleaning and a filling could not fulfill. I needed a crown or whatever. One time I needed a root canal. So that didn't help. I needed to pad on my pocket. Then I got married. I didn't know this, but thank God I got married to a man who had a job that had an actual dental center on its premises, and it provided services free to employees' families. So I brought my kids there. They also provided dental coverage, but it was more coverage if you went to their center. So we started going to the center. There was no co-pays. It was beautiful. I got the works, bridges, everything, until they said, Ebony, you're good. Like, you're good. Okay, so I'm at the 5 minute mark. So I'm going to try to wrap this up. What changed my life? After he left that job, we had to go to a different dentist, but I was good. All I needed was cleanings. And this dentist introduced me to the electric toothbrush. This is the Aquasonic. I will link all the products below. This is the Aquasonic. It has 4 settings: clean, soft, whiten, and massage. I basically use clean. I don't do the other stuff. You can do soft if you want like a soft clean, but I have no tartar, no buildup, no cavities. I'm going to continue to use what's working. And she's introduced me to the water pick. I will also link this below. You fill this up with water. Make sure you put this in your mouth before you spray it, because it is a powerful spray. And it's you can use it in replacement of floss, or you can use it in addition to floss. I do both. There's settings from 1 to 10. 10 is very powerful, but it depends on the attachments that you have with it. Right now, I have this attachment, and I really like that, but there's so many other attachments that I can show you over here. This one is very similar. This might go to my old one because the color is different, I'm thinking. Okay, this one has a little brush mechanism on there. This one looks just like a toothbrush. This one has a warning label, which is why I haven't used it. It says, use pickpocket tip only on lowest pressure setting. So I think it gets like in bridges and stuff. I'm going to try it. I'm going to see. But because it had the warning, I was a little nervous. And then this is a smaller brush, and this is another attachment like the one I'm using right now. Also, my new dentist, because I found out that dentist wasn't in my network. I found a better dentist, actually. And she introduced me this past week to this angle brush. And you put this in between your teeth. Can you see that? Yeah, that's better. You put this in between your teeth near bridges. And the angle helps get the back teeth. That angle. So watch out for your back teeth as well. I have a Aura Brush tongue scraper. If you can, get a stainless steel one. That's the one I'm looking for right now on Amazon. I will link it even though I'm not using it, but I think it's just more sanitary to use the stainless steel as opposed to the plastic, because I would say then if you're going to use this, then switch it out like you switch out your toothbrush. Okay. We have floss. And look, I don't care about the type of floss, any floss, really. This is Equate from Walmart. It's the cheapest one. I have threaders. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm almost low. I have to buy some more. These are for my bridges. And it doesn't matter what toothpaste, it doesn't matter which toothpaste you use, as long as you're brushing. I think it's the brushing that makes the difference. You can use whatever toothpaste is on sale. That's what I heard a dentist say. It was funny. Also, my dentist, she prescribed me this sodium fluoride. It's supposed to help strengthen your enamel. And what she told me is, after you brush, the last time you brush, don't spit. Let it just sit in your mouth through the night as you sleep. So that is all. I think I've gotten it all out. Everything that was on my my tray. The one thing on my wish list is a tooth polisher. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share your experience with me as far as your dentist. See? I love it. Bye.